Welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor. Today I'm walking you through one of the most life-changing legal journeys a family can take: how to adopt a child in Texas. Whether you're adopting a stepchild, a foster child, or through private agency, the process has several legal steps you must follow carefully. Let's break it down. Step 1. Decide what type of adoption you are pursuing in Texas. There are several paths to adoption: step-parent adoption, private domestic adoption, international adoption, foster care adoption, or an adult adoption. Each path has different requirements and timelines, so the first step is knowing which process applies to you. Step 2. Termination of parental rights. Before any adoption can move forward, the biological parent's rights must be legally terminated. This can happen voluntarily or involuntarily. If both parents have already lost or given up rights, you'll move straight into the adoption phase. But if only one parent has terminated their rights, legal steps must be taken to address the other parent. Step 3. Complete a home study. Every adoption in Texas requires a home study conducted by a licensed social worker. They'll assess your home, lifestyle, and readiness to adopt. This step includes background checks, interviews, financial reviews, and safety inspections. A positive home study is essential to move forward. Step 4. File the adoption petition. Next, your attorney will file a petition to adopt with the appropriate court. This petition includes information about the child, the adoptive parents, and the circumstances surrounding the adoption. This is the document that formally asks the court to approve the adoption. Step 5. Attend the final hearing. You'll be scheduled for a court date where the judge will review your petition, home study, and any other required documents. In most cases, this hearing is a celebration. Once granted, the adoption is final and legally binding. Step 6. Update legal documents. After the adoption, update the child's birth certificate, social security records, insurance policies, and school and medical records. You're now the child's legal parent in every sense. Adoption is a beautiful, emotional, and legal journey, and we're here to walk through it with you. If you're considering adoption, schedule your free 30-minute consultation with us. Like and subscribe for more Texas family law guidance that supports your growing family.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.